is ARUSI Cooperative Movement pilot site at Itu in Mbaise of Imo State. The farm is taking shape. This is tomato site. All these places are the places for tomatoes. We have a very large area designated for tomatoes. We also have a site for onions, a site for pepper, cucumber, and some other vegetables. The farm is still taking shape. There's expansion going on, expanding the site. Water points are being put in place. Several water points will be put in place, which will be followed by irrigation pipelines to make the work easier for farm workers. This is just the pilot scheme, and so far more than 30 indigenes of Ezinite has benefited from this. Still on the ARUSI cooperative movement, you can see some of our vegetable sites is looking good. The vegetables are already living. In fact, can be harvested now. Very soon, we are very sure that we'll start reaping harvest here. These ones were planted just some days ago, and they have taken shape already. They're all coming up with full force. This is the vegetable water pump through where we water the vegetables. They are all sprouting. Vegetable site. We have lots of vegetables planted here, and very soon this place will be a serious market site for vegetable. ARUSI Cooperative Movement Ezinite Mbaise in Imo State.